Hey guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is take a super matte foundation. This is like 2 shades darker than my natural skin tone because I kind of want that like orangey tan that was really popular in the mid to late 90s, and you know, in the early 2000s and mid 2000s, like orange was just a thing. I mean, and we're not in the 2000s, but I'm just saying that you just want to kind of give yourself more of a tan. I feel like that's very Pamela. I mean, she was on Baywatch, right? So I didn't blend the foundation up to my forehead. That's just me being lazy. This is costume makeup for me. You can do that if you want, but my hat is gonna cover it and I just don't want to waste makeup. So you can just do that if you want. This isn't about the foundation, it's more about the eyes. So I just kind of smeared foundation all over my face and I am going to conceal. Now this is going to be a major transformation. Obviously I don't look anything like Pam, and I don't even with the makeup. So before you go there and comment those things, I already know that. So yeah. Anyways, I'm just going to get rid of the darkness around my eyes and kind of create a bright base. You have to trust the process on this makeup look, you guys, because it does get crazy. You're probably gonna think, what the heck is going on? But as you can see from the intro, it looks amazing, and I wish I saved this more for Halloween. But you can wear this look whenever you want. It's not just a Halloween thing. But I'm honestly thinking about doing it this year because I just thought it was so cool, like insane. So now that I have everything set, I am just going to take like a really peachy blush that has a lot of shimmer in it, because she was not shy with her makeup, you guys. If you are into clean makeup, the clean girl whatever look, this is not for you. This is about lots of blush, lots of crazy unconventional makeup routine stuff. So this was Rockstar things. But yeah, as you can see, I have really shiny cheeks that are nice and peachy, exactly how I like it. I'm going to take this white eyeshadow. It has a little bit of blue on it, which is fine because we're going to do a lot of blue anyways, and place this all over my lid. Super messy. This is not, like I said, a conventional look. You're going to take this blue right here and you're going to drag it all the way in your inner corner. This is not something you see every day. I absolutely love it. I liked it messy. I could have kept it very clean, but I just felt like, because I had already practiced this look and I did it really nice and neat, and I felt like it was more like drag makeup, which isn't bad, but for this look in particular, I wasn't feeling drag. I was thinking it was more like glam rock. I'm not sure if that was her inspo, but either way, that's how I took it. I am taking a more indigo blue and placing that all over the lid. Like I said, I really want to capture glam rock. It was really messy. It was very out there. And yeah, I mean, you saw all the bands doing it. Poison, I'm having a brain fart, Twisted Sister, all them. I mean, Twisted Sister went all out there, but you know what I mean. They were doing this makeup and they brought it into the 90s still. So then I'm going to take a navy blue eyeshadow and run this all over the lid, just creating more depth in the eye. You don't have to be a perfectionist at this, just like kind of look like you put a little bit of effort. Rockstar makeup has just a little bit of effort in there, but just a teensy weensy bit. Then you're going to want to blend all that blue all over the eyes. Make sure it's underneath your lower lash line. And it looks like that still looks kind of crazy, but trust me, once you put the lashes on and the glitter, or not the glitter, but the rhinestones, it's going to come together. I am taking a black eyeshadow and running it on my upper and lower lash line, as well as tight lining my eyes. I just loved this look so much. Then I'm going to curl my lashes, and while I wait for my eyelashes to set, because I'm going to use falsies, I'm going to put some mascara on my top and lower lashes, as well as stick some rhinestones on. Just want to make sure your lashes are heavily coated. I got these rhinestones. They're just stick-on rhinestones from Amazon. I get most of my crafts from Amazon. Joann's has them for really cheap, but I think these were like $4. You can get them even cheaper on Shein for like $1. But I know some people hate Shein, so yeah. So then I am going to stick on some lashes really close to the lash line, like so, and I mean, it looks so cool. I am going to take Soar by MAC. I feel like this is a super Pamela look. This is a 90s staple lip liner. And I'm gonna kind of overline my lips and give myself the more poutier lip line. And then once I'm done outlining my lips, you're gonna wanna make sure the lip line is significantly darker. I'm going to take Creamcup by MAC, and this is going to be the look. It's pretty much gonna tie it all together, but I did felt like something was missing, so I'm gonna take a metallic lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills and place that right on the center of my lips, and that is definitely what was missing for this look. Now this is my Pamela Anderson 90s red carpet makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Super easy to do. All you need is a corset, a choker, and then a big pink fuzzy hat, which I got off of Etsy, and you could live your rock star dreams. I loved it. I thought it was really cool and pretty canon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next nostalgic red carpet look. Bye guys, see you later.